Hey, kids! Are you ready to play?
Welcome to Playful's TV!
Good morning, sun shining through our window bright. A new happy day is starting, what a delight. Come on, friends, sing with us today. Main hook.
Sing after every verse with a catchy.
This is our happy day, happy day, happy day. From morning light to bedtime, we do it the happy way. We wake up in our cozy bed, stretch our arms up high, yawn and smile and say hello to the morning sky. We brush our teeth, up and down and round we go. Sparkly smiles, ready to glow. Breakfast time we sit and eat, yummy food so sweet. We dance with our spoons, what a treat. Now we play with all our toys, building blocks so tall. We laugh and sing and have a ball. Snack time comes, we munch and crunch, apples red and sweet. Sharing with our teddy bear, what a yummy treat. We go to the balcony, feel the sun and breeze, wave to the birds and dance with the trees. Lunchtime now we eat our meal, vegetables and rice. Yummy in our tummy, we say thank you twice. Nap time comes, we lie down soft, teddy by our side. Close our eyes and dream a while with a happy sigh. Wake up from nap, we play again, puzzles, cars, and more. Having fun together on the living room floor. Dinner time, the family table, warm and full of love. We eat and chat and smile above. Bath time fun, we splash and play, bubbles everywhere. Rub-a-dub-dub, we wash with care.